Hello everyone, this is Karura Forest. Have you ever had a chance to connect with nature? Did you know that nature is proven to be therapeutic? Well, get to Karura Forest, and the charges are very affordable. They only charge 100 shillings for citizens and 600 for non-residents. Rush there, and for children it's only 50 bob. What will stop you to go to Karura Forest? Plus, it's just right next across the highway, meaning you can just get a matatu and you get dropped and you walk into Karura Forest. Let's connect with nature. Karura Forest awaits. See you. Take my heart, but please don't break it. Love was made for me and you.